So hi, I'm Betheena Elgincolin. I am a senior technology architect at Telus. Currently, I lead a team building software template aimed at improving developer experience. I started my career at Canon and Sun Microsystems while I was in the Philippines. I moved to Canada in 2003 where I joined Telus before making my way up to senior software developer to where I am today as a senior technology architect. So on Telus Dev, we have been challenged by many cumbersome processes to start a project, to onboard an application and deploy to production, which today takes many days, the long development cycles, and the inconsistencies and inefficiencies. As a response to this, we built this developer kit, or what we call software template. We are using GitHub templates as a starting point for our developers to use to kickstart their application. Instead of the developers have to manually package their softwares from scratch and figuring out on their own, they can use our software templates, go through this one-click experience, they get a working sample application, which later on they can tailor based on their business needs. We have also included Dev Container using GitHub code spaces to standardize local environment and also give us access to Visual Studio, either from the desktop or from the browser. Microsoft Technologies has strengthened a deeper sense of communities within our organization, where everyone is encouraged to contribute. What I enjoy most in this field is seeing the impact of the applications that we build on communities and people around us. During the early days of my career, it has been very challenging as a woman in STEM. I get easily intimidated that I cannot say what's on my mind. I have this feeling, this need of always proving myself. This shaped the person that I am today and how I navigate the system. I was able to overcome these challenges by working harder, making myself to do more, and drawing inspirations from other women who succeeded. The lesson learned that I would want to share with everyone out there is to always treat others with kindness and respect. People will not remember you for what you have accomplished. They will remember how you treated them. One piece of advice I will give to software developers is to start somewhere. Don't aim for perfection, aim for improvement.